Hi all, welcome back to BRR Knowledge Center. In this section, we'll talk about how to build a tree view using a jQuery. So there are a lot of components available in the internet, so where we can build a tree view. But in this section, we'll talk about how to build a tree view using a jQuery. And let's get into the demonstration now. So overall, I wanted to build a tree in the similar way, like level one and level two, level three. So level one basically having again level 1.1, and in this parent or in this node again, I have two childs, level 1.1.1 and level 1.1.2, and again level 1.1.2 having level 1.1.2.1 and 1.1.2.2, and in level 1.2 was an individual node here, and level 2 again having two childs, and the second child is having another two childs, and the first child is having two sub childs, and last one is level 3. This structure I'm going to build it using jQuery now. Let's look at this. I'm just opening my notepad plus plus, so where I'll be no, writing a program for this. So I'm try to write a program here. So this is what my doc type I'm mentioning here, and again this is my node. Okay, and under this I'm having head, and this is my head section, and here I'll be having title. So preview construction using jQuery, right? And under this section I'm going to give a reference of jQuery reference, which actually I'm going to use it and to build this jQuery tree view. And this I'm going to give a CDN path here, https://ajax dot googleapis.com/ajax jQuery. I'm using 3.1.1, and jQuery minification file I'm using it. Just copy this and check how it is working. Yeah, this is what the file I'm going to use it. So let me save this, and under this head section try to write body tag. This is what my body, and again anyway I think after body we'll be having form tag. It's what the HTML syntax. So under this form tag I'm going to define the required stuff to render the structure of tree view. So to build this tree view using jQuery, we are going to use another list item tags, HTML tags. So that's what the uh, plan here. So I'm just using another list here, and in this another list I'm going to use list items. This is my list item. Okay, and the first list item was level 1. This is what displayed in the screen, and basically I'll having 3 levels here, and under this another list I'm going to give id called tree. Okay, and for this I'm defining one class called open. So that means when this opens, what you're going to do, that's what the intention of specifying here class is open. So that means on opening of this I'm adding other set of uh, another list, where it is having list items level 1.1, and again I'll having 1.2 here. This is what the stuff we wanted to see, level 1.1 and level 1.2. And at level 1.1 I'll be adding another two nodes. So go back to your code. So under this level 1, so again I'm going to open this node, then I'm going to split this into another set of stuff. Hence again I'm adding another list here. This is what this syntax, and here level. Okay, so level 1.1.1, just closing this, and this is 1.1.2. So this is what the syntax, level 1.1.1 and 1.1.2, right? And again, so once you give this level 1.1.1, so first what we did was just we declared another list, and this we have created three items. One is a level 1, and this is level 2, and this is a level 3, right? So under this I have again created one more set, a level 1.1 and 1.2, and this 1.1 I've created one more set, 1.1.1. So this is what 1.1. Under this I have created 1.1.1 and 1.1.2, right? Under this 1.1.1 we don't have any childs, but under this 1.1.2 I'm going to create another set of nodes ul, and I've just closed this. Here I'm saying 1.1.2.1, their value was 1.1.2.2, right? If you look at here, I created level 1, and then I created level 2 and level 3. And at level 1, I'm going to create 1.1 and 1.2, right? And again under 1.1, I'm going to create 1.1.1, 1.1.1 on opening this node, right? And after that, I'm now having another node 1.1.2. Enter this 1.1 node opening, hence we need to specify open here. Once opening of this, I'm expanding and again showing 1.1.2.1 and 1.1.2.2. Got it? So basically I have a class on this 1.1.2 and 1.1.1 and level 1. Opening on this, it is showing 1.1 and 1.2. Opening this 1.1, showing 1.1.1 and 1.1 no, sorry, 1.1.1, and another node was under this 1.1.2. And on opening of 1.1.2, I'm going to open 1.1.2.1, 1.1.2.2. And I think you can specify whatever words you wanted to hear. I'm just giving this level 1, level 2, and level 3, and that sub nodes here, and even you can give your required nodes here as part of development in the real scenarios. Okay, I can go back to our this screen. This was done, and level 1.12 was okay, fine. And going to the level 1, level 2, an opening of this, that means I'm specifying this class as open, and opening of this. So what I'm going to do was I'm going to display another set of nodes which we are having it in the screen, right? So that way I think we must have nodes like 2.1 and 2.2. So on this, again I'm going to declare an order list ul, and under this I'm going to declare list items level 2.1, right? And another one was 2.2. right? Okay, let me show you the screen. 2.1 and 2.2. An opening of 2.2, I'm going to show 2.2.1 and 2.2.2. That means you need to write a class here, open. That means an opening, or you say like some other name if you want to give it instead of open or expand, right? You can say expand. I'll say this is expand, and expanding this, I need to show this, and expand this, I need to showcase this, and again come to second node and expanding 2, I'm going to display these two, and expanding 2.2, I'm going to display another set of, you know, list. I'm just declaring the stuff, and here I'm saying 2.2.1, this is one node, and another one was 2.2.2, right? So this is what the structure, expanding of 2.2, right? I'm going to show 2.2.1 and 2.2.2. On expanding 2.2.1, I'm going to show this. That means again you need to write it here, class equal to expand. So on expanding this node, I'm going to show some of other nodes set here. That means li level 2.2.2.1, right? And one more node was 2.2.2, right? Just compare the screen here. 2.2.1.1. Oh shit. And expanding 2.2.2. No, I think we need to write this for this class, right? Class equal to expand. For this, we need to write. Okay. I think we shall paste it here. And this is 1.1.2, right? I'm not going to give this no comparison. So on expanding 2.2.1, I'm going to display 2.2.1.1 and 2.2.1.2, right? And level 3, I'll leave it as it is. So now go back to your screen. I'm just saving this, and we'll see here. This is what the code we have written. Okay. Now you will see is now you will compare here. Level 1 is having level 1.1, and at level 1.1 you have a level 1.1.1 and level 1.1.2. On expanding this level 1.1.2, I'm going to display level 1.1.2.1, 1.1.2.2, and level 1.2 was remain same. And again on expanding of level 2, this one, I'm going to show level 2.1, 2.2, right? And then I'm going to display on expanding 2.2 as 2.2.1 and 2.2.2. And I'm explaining of level 2.2.1, I'm going to show level 2.2.1.1 and 2.2.1.2, right? So this is the basic structure I was built using this jQuery file and no UL and LI HTML tags. Now we will see like how to beautify this. So how to keep expand and collapse button, and how the functionality is going to work out in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.